Online, am I audible? Can you hear me? Yes. Good.
This meeting is being recorded.
Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? Boys, how are you all? Like, at least you had food now? You all had lunch now? No, na? When you will have it, right? Good. Anyway, now, till now, what we have discussed, I will just repeat it. I just pushed the whole notes into the Google Drive. You can even see the notes in Google Drive also if you have it. I will just share it like one more today. And the notes will be available into the GitHub every day. Now, along with this, like, let me start with a simple story. Did I tell here Lazy John story? Did I tell any story called Lazy John here? Yes, sir. No. Okay, let me tell you. Okay, some people may not know this. Some people knows here. Maybe I didn't said it in this class. Let me start here. There is a guy named John. This was one of the famous story that most people knows it. In our childhood English books it will come. There was a boy named John. The John parents were old. One day the parents ordered John, go out of the home. There will be an apple tree nearby. Go and plunk some apple trees so that we can take some apples from the tree so that we all can eat. So the John decided like John don't like to do any work. John always stays, lazy. So John one day went out. He just saw the tree. The tree was so big. He has to climb up the tree, but he can't. He was like, why to climb up the tree? If I just sit down of the tree, anyway, whenever the wind comes, the apples only fell down. So automatically I will get the apples. That's what the John thought. John, instead of climbing up the tree, he just sat under the tree and waiting when the wind will come so that I can get my apples. The every day, the John is just sitting down, but the apples are not coming down. Is it the good thing to do, ma? Are you all getting my point? The John is just waiting under the tree instead of climbing up the tree. Is it the good thing to do? No. Instead, he should climb up the tree. The same thing happens to most of the people. Most of the people comes to Amirpet and they want a job, but most people think it like job will come to them on the hand. Instead, they are not trying it. If you don't try every day, it would be too much difficult to create it a sustainable market into the job. But most people's thought won't be that. They will be like, okay, chod do, we'll do it tomorrow, we'll do it later. Yesterday we discussed something if and switch. Then before also we did some projects. But still there are so many people, I'm sure, who don't know how to start Angular app. There will be some people I know who did not even did one app. There were some people who did not even submit to me like one also. Someone, Shri, you are getting problem, can't see bind. You did not put forms module, Shri. So I'm telling it one more time. If you get errors, please let me know. Janvi Reddy, copying the forms module, you got this error. That is because you did not put the comma. You did not put the comma. If you check my code, you will get it here. If you get error, comma where, you can see it here. If you check my code, always my code will be available in the GitHub. Every day my code will be available. Just if you open the link, you will get it my code. See here. Yesterday I did this project. And if you open here, app module, somewhere someone is getting it error. I put it here, comma forms module. If I don't put the comma, I will get the error. And this is the error which you got it, Janavi, in the online. Now, online, two people asked me two questions. One is Sri, one is Janavi. Because they tried, they got errors. There will be some people who tried and did not get errors. That would be fine. But there will be so many people who did not tried. That would be a problem. Day by day, we are learning more and more topics. When you learn more and more topics, automatically you have to do more and more. Someone is getting error with the Tailwind installation error. If you get a Tailwind installation error, one more time we will do it. I will tell you one more time what is ngIf. I will tell you one more time what is ngSwitch. Today we will do ngFor, ngStyle, class. Before we go further, does any one of you created any app yesterday? Online, someone named Sudhir Kumar gave it to me. It is the old one. This is Saturday's project. Sachin Singh did something Royal 123. Is this the Angular one? He did it. Configure now. He did it each one separate. It's going into Royal Enfields. Good. But right click, inspect, go to the top. I'm so happy. This one is one of the beautiful site recently I have seen. India, USA. I can select these things. Nice. This is really good. Increase this. Whoever are doing it. Whoever are doing it, just increase it. It is really beautiful. Sachin Singh. That's really good. One of the beautiful site I have seen. Oh, RJ Tree Technologies. This one is also looking good. Training Institute, online training, Faculty Institute, Mr. Prasad, timing, dress, enroll the course. Oh, means someone is thinking it to start an institute only. Good, but that is really good idea, right? Creating a site like this is really beautiful. Maria something good. Sandhya online. Programming languages. It's good only Sandhya, but you should put different font. On pink, bright pink, black color is not visible. And this one is okay. Sandhya Solutions, Programming Unlimited. Why people are selling the courses, Ray? Like you guys now came here to learn, now you guys becoming teachers only. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, cloud computing, cyber security, software automation, database management, blockchain, game development, UI UX, Internet of Things. The whole Amirpet brochure is there here. Enroll 60,000 iOS security. But this is really good. Looking good, have a nice idea. Are imagine She just put it on each one, something, just put it on each one. This enroll buttons are there now. On each button, if she put a link just for her payment gateway, like she can put it a link for Razor Pay. She can at least sell it like one course. There will be always who people. It's like, how can I say it? Like, I know there was a famous Chinese story. They will say it like, uh, there will be a town where there is no water, so people will be like, first main guy will come. That main guy will take it like some water from some big well, and another guy will take it like from his bucket. Another guy will take it from this guy's something like jug. Another guy will take it like from that guy some kind of glass. Like that, each one will take it from one. And that's what happened in reality. This guy is learning from Naresh Shetty, and someone will learn from him. It will go on this world. That's good. How to connect it to payment gateways is very simple. There is one famous thing called Razor Pay. Do you know this? Anyone knows Razor Pay? Don't know. Arey, just create an account in Razor Pay. If you go to Razor Pay website, you create an account. Razor Pay people will give you one pages. I will show you. Payment pages. I saw this one will look like this. They will make one page. The page will look like this. Like this page will come. In that page, you can put whatever you want. If anyone pays in this page, automatically it will come to your bank account. All you have to do is create an account in Razorpay website. Simple. That's very simple. You don't need a big site and all. A simple site which will show. Slowly, your mind will tell, let's improve more and more. Are you getting my point, ma? But this beautiful. Like 4 people who tried online, they are really better. Offline, anyone tried? From 5 days, I'm seeing it. Like last 3-4 days, no one is doing in the offline. That's why in Saturday I make the people do, but still no one. While generating forms, you got error. Tell me what errors you got. I will tell you. Forms module you have to do. Tell me. Katari 1. Katari 1 dot netlify dot app. What about you boys? The only reason I'm not much strict is because I thought it like if I really say you should bring tomorrow, most people are absent on tomorrow. That is a problem. This one is really looking good. You put it cars. Nice. What about boys? Anyone did? Girls, any other one? Tomorrow I will check. Last boy. I will check it from the last one to the first one. One by one I will ask what you did till now, especially offline. What you did till now I will ask. If you are absent tomorrow, day after tomorrow I will ask. If you are absent day after tomorrow, then next day I will ask. I will not leave until you do something. Because this is not something funny class. Okay? You did the same supercars one which I did it like last Saturday. True. How to build that site? I'm absent for 4 classes. Seriously? No. Someone did some kind of site. Cosmetics. This one is looking good. Today we will learn, everyone. Today we will learn something called ngFor. I will explain you what is ngFor, and we will do one project on ngSwitch, ngIf, ngFor. Okay? Now, let's do it, sir. If anyone want any help from my side on anything, you can ask me. Now, let's start. Yesterday, what did we discuss, sir? ngIf and switch. ngIf is used as a replacement of if else, ngSwitch is used for similarity as switch case. Same like that, you will also have something called directives. You will also have same thing as ngFor. Let me use ngFor. ngFor. Let's note it down. ngFor is also a structural directive which is used ngFor is also a structural directive which is used for repetitive UI based on a condition. What does it mean by repetitive UI? Repetitive UI means something which you wanted to repeat again and again. Today, if you see, so many people did some cosmetics. So I did cars, someone did cosmetics, another person did another things. Like so many people are doing so many things. I wanted to print this all, but if you remember last time when I printed, I write it here. Last time when I printed here, what I did, I just writed that component 9 times. If you see this inside the app, inside the main, see, I write it here, app car, app car, app car. Like that, I write it in the practice 9 times, 8 times or 9 times. How many times I printed? That many times I wrote it separately, But now I don't need to do anything which is repeating in the UI, anything which is repeating UI. Normally for repetitive actions, you will use iterators called for in the JavaScript or in TypeScript in programming. Same thing you can do it in HTML also. HTML also have iterators called ngFor. What is it called, ma? ngFor. ngFor syntax is an element with ngFor condition, an element with ngFor condition code. Here you will have let x of some array. Now, sir, what is x? What is array? Array, we all know, array is like a collection of elements. In the array, so many elements will be there. Now, if you put x of array means first time 1, second time, first time 0 index kind of thing. But instead of indexes, it will contain the values. It will contain the values. Now, let's do it one program, sir. If you go here, I will go to directives point. Yesterday I did directives demo. ng cd code cd directives. Online or offline, you can ask any question when you have a doubt, ma. Please feel free to ask the question. The more you ask the question, the more easy it would become for you. ngserve-o, it will run. This is what I did yesterday. I will just take up the whole code. I just commented. Someone is like, can you tell me on how much, like one more time? We will do it one more time. ngIf and switch, I will do it. Don't worry. I will do it one more time. ngIf and switch. Don't worry. Okay. Now I just commented whole ngIf and switch. Now let's do it here. ngFor. I have some TypeScript, which is app.component.typescript. By default, your HTML is connected to TypeScript. By default, your HTML is connected to the TypeScript, sir. Now you go here. Now, let's do a simple example, sir. For example, I wanted to print paragraph, Raj, Prasad, Santosh, Manu, Vani. Now, I have total here 5 values, and if I want to print 5 paragraphs with 5 different names, now I wrote 5 paragraphs now. I rated 5 times 5 paragraphs, right or not? Each time separate, I rated 5 times paragraphs, sir. If you see my program, it will print here. Does anyone have any doubts in the output, ma? Online, any questions here? Online, any questions here? No? Just focus on only this code. Only this code. Okay? Now, next. In this, instead of printing it multiple times, I will go here. I will create it here, an array. Let ARR is a array of strings which is equals to Raj, Prasad, Shekhar, Manu, Vani. Now, what is the difference here? I just created one array. In that array, 5 people names are there. Here, online, any doubts you can tell me, ma? Now see, here I created here one array. In this array, I put it here 5 people names. Now I will go, instead of writing 5 times the same name, I will write it here div, paragraph. Let me put it, instead of removing it, I will just comment this. Instead of writing it like this, I write it here div ngFor. What is this asterisk is used for? Yesterday, most people asked me again and again. Asterisk is used for conditions. Now, let X. Sir, why did you put X? Any name you can put it. It's just a variable. X is a variable of. What is the X of? It's like for of syntax in your JavaScript. Of array name. What is the array name here? What is the array name? ARR. Now inside I will print P value X. Because this X is coming from the TypeScript. Now, what is this X value? First time X value is ARR of 0. Second time X is ARR of 1. Third time X is ARR of 2. Fourth time X is ARR of 3, which is array values. Now, if you go and check it your output, can you see I got the same output? Writing the above statement and the below statement are same. In Java, they call it the similar one for each. In JavaScript also we have for each. In C# also we have for each. Similar. X is the value. Now here one problem. Is there. Everyone see here problem. Div. Now can you see here? What is the problem? Is paragraph is coming 5 times? Everyone see. Is paragraph coming 5 times, ma? No, div is coming 5 times. Each time div is coming, paragraph is coming. Div is coming, paragraph is coming. Div is coming, paragraph is coming. Can anyone tell me how do I solve this? Are you getting my problem, ma? Everyone, see the problem? When you do this, to whatever the element, you write this code, that element only will repeat 5 times. Someone in the online suggested this. If I write it like this, paragraph only will come 5 times, na? Now they go inside the app root, inside the div, 5 paragraphs. This one is the most easiest syntax of Angular. Now actually you can write it the component now more easily. You can even print here how it to take the array from child component to parent. You can do child component to parent component using template reference variable. Ma, someone is asking it. Deepika, template reference variable you will use. Now go here. Now, sir, what if I wanted to print index? I want to print index. You can even write let I equals to index. Then if we write it here, it will print x. Here, I will print here I. Can everyone see here? What is the answer here? Raj 0, Prasad 1, Shekhar 2, Manu 3, Vani 4. Why? Index values. Because index values. These ones are very important. Okay. Now, for loop is used to iterate certain values. Sir, can you give it like one more example? I will give you one more example. You guys try it. Like for example, movies. Movies is a array. Movies is a array. In this array, I'm giving one object. Can you see in this array, I'm giving so many objects? Movies is a array. In this array, I'm giving so many objects. How many objects I gave, sir, here? 3 objects. How many objects I gave? 3. Each object will contain title of the movie, like triple R, and link of the movie. This is an object. You can give it directly also in a JSON format also, your wish. This is title of the movie, link of the movie, custom objects. This is a custom object only. It's like my own object only, na? Who are defining these 3 objects? I am only defining it. So I will just take it here. Triple R. Copy. Go here. I'm giving it different names. Salar. Um, Pushpa. So I gave here everyone. See here. Everyone see here. There is one array. What is the array name? What is the array name? What is the length of movies array? Acha, you all know arrays na? What is the length of movies array? 3. 3. 3 objects are there. Inside each object, how many key values are there? 2. Inside each object, 2 key values are there. One is title, another one is link. Any questions till now, ma? No. So you go to HTML. In HTML, I'm writing it here. New. Inside this, I will put it here. And another div. I will write it here. ngFor. ngF is capital. ngFor. Let val or let m of movies. Let m of movies. M of movies. So I will print it here. img tag, which is nothing but m dot link. Here m dot title, height 200, h2 m dot title. Anyone have any doubts here? Sir, I can use property binding also. Sir, why don't you use it property binding? Don't get confused. I'm just used it because I just did not remember property binding. Okay. It's like you can put it anything. It works. Okay. Don't worry about it. You can put it anyway. It works. कोई doubt है इसमें? Should we use double quotation also? It will work. Double brace also. Any doubts my here? No. If I see my program, can you see here? See this program? I got the answer. Very simple, nah? The Tailwind we are using it anyway. Yesterday I just installed Tailwind. Grid columns 1 MD, grid columns 2 LG, grid columns 3 simple. Why same image is coming, sir? I gave same link ray. The down name is changing. You can see that. Dekho. Each object is coming. Name is coming same. Online, are you getting my point, sir? Now, this is just a basic CSS. Now, I think there is an error they are saying it. What is the error? Okay, here it is there, but it's not used. Something kind of one. Now go here. Now, to the people who don't know what is MD grid and all, it is media charisma. It is called media queries. Okay. Media queries means like, sir, if you write this code, normally one column will be there. If you open in mobiles, only one column will be there. If you open in tablets, medium devices, two movies will come. If you open in something big screen, three will come. This is called responsive code. How did I do that? Dekho, grid columns 1. Initially, how many columns you will get? 1. MD grid columns 2. That means in medium devices, how many you will get? 2. LG grid columns 3. That means in large screen, how many you will get? This is called responsiveness. To make the whole site responsive, you should do it one by one. And here what you did, now everyone dekho, I write it here ngFor let m of movies. Movies, what is movies? Movies is a array. Movies is a array. In that arrays, each value will be m. In that arrays, three objects are there. First time, first object will be m. Second time, second object will be m. Third time, third object will be m. Imagine 10 objects are there. 10 objects will print na here. In that array, how many are there? It will come automatically na. Right. Next, image src here inside the m, I gave here, देखो, inside the m, I gave here link and title. I gave here link and title. When I write it here, m Srinivas Reddy, you can give like that, ma. That will work. If I write it m dot link, I am giving it to src. M dot title, I am giving into alt. M dot title, I am printing. Simple. Online, any doubts, ma? Online, any doubts? Sir, for writing media queries, our content should be inside the div. Not at all. It should, our content will be always somewhere, something inside div or some another thing, na? Whatever it is there, you should give it. How to put link? What? See here, I think, I don't know why online people are feeling difficulty. Dekho, I created here one array. Everyone created one array, ma. In that array, give the title name, give the link, give the title name and link. Now in this array, how many objects are there? One, two, three. Three. Simple. Now this array is there online. Online, you can copy paste this array from my code. I just pasted in the chart also. Now if I have this one, each object, what is there? Title and link. Title and the link. Now I go to HTML, sir. In HTML, I am writing let m of. It is like the for of. It is like the for of. It is used same thing in the for each. Now I used it here, movies. Inside that movies array, I take here a m. And m is nothing but first time first object. Second time second object. Third time third object. How many times this code will run? 3 times. Simple. Online, any doubts, ma? Online, is it clear now? Online, is it clear now? I gave already the array which I used online. Please use that online array which I gave and use that and try it. Namrita is asking, can we use DB in Angular? We will discuss in the services chapter. At that time, I will tell you, don't worry. We are using only this one. Okay. What is M? M is the object. Inside the movies array, whatever the objects are there, that will be M. Simple. Asterisk is used for the ngFor. Asterisk means condition. Asterisk means condition. Any doubts here? No. Now everyone see this logic. I will give you the array. I will give you the array. Print that array values into the screen. Simple. ARR2 array uh, name Prasad, role developer name Janu, role HR, name Priya Angel, role scamming people. Now write a simple code to print this on screen. Write your HTML code to print it. I am giving you the array using TypeScript. You write HTML code to print it. Very simple. Very good. Sorry, I wrote it Priya Angel. Her name is Angel Priya. The only common friend to everyone in the Facebook. How many of you have her account, Ray? How many of you created account on her name? That's what most people do, Ray. Oh, good. No, no, no. Nice. When I am in college, people used to do this like her account only, charting and all. Now we use different names. Okay. You guys are intelligent. Even we use same name also, people used to contact Ray at the time. I think your account. No, I was one of the victim of the Angel Priya, not the person who did. I believed Angel Priya true. Very bad. Anyway, okay, how many times? No, one time only. That's enough. Now, print it, sir. Online, I think better you posted HTML code. That would be good to me. I mean, sir hates it, actually. Now, good. Srinivas Reddy, it was correct. Giridharan, yes, Giridharan, I agree with you. Project not running in browser. Maybe you did not saved it, Paplin. Nandakumar, it's correct. It's working. Correct. These days it's difficult to do, Vamsi. I don't think so. Good, Deepika, it's correct. Good. Most people got it. Paplin autosave mode. Then it should work, Paplin. Just right click and inspect. If any errors are there, it will tell you. Inspect with console. So there it's correct. Now I'm happy that most people in the online just gave it a correct answer. We'll try it myself. Good. I will just take someone's code. I will just use it. Inside the div, paragraph. They just printed it here, paragraph. Good. ngFor. Sir, most people online, like some people did not put this. You should put it here, quotation mark. This ngFor equals to quotation mark should be there. Then it will work. Now if you go here, why it is not working? Let m of arr2. What is the name? arr2 only. arr2. Huh? ngFor capital F. Correct. ngFor capital F. Correct. M is already there. It will work because each one is like a local variable. Until the for loop is over, only that m will be there. Once the for loop is over, m will die na automatically. So it will work. See, name, Prasad, role developer, and all came correct. Not bad. Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Yes. Now let's do a simple project, sir. Sir, let's do one project which contains ngIf, ngSwitch, ngFor. Also, we'll discuss something depth about ngStyle and class also, if possible. Okay. Now let's go here. I'm going to do one more time the switch and for. Okay. Switch, if and for. Let's go here. To the people who ever don't know, from starting onwards, I'm doing it, sir. Now I am inside the Angular 2 PM. I'm doing it here. Everyone see it now. Sir, like this side we can do with DOM also now. Why we are doing this? Dekho, one more time. Online Vikas. This is, listen, one more time. Online Vikas. This is again and again I'm telling same point. Same sites you can do with JavaScript DOM. But why we need Angular? Angular makes your work easy and Angular gives you something called structure for your code. This is called a framework. If you do it one time, for example, if you have to do this in DOM, it would be too much difficult. Second thing, DOM will take it too much load. Angular will make it less load than the DOM actual work. Okay. Are you getting my point, ma? Now. Good. CD projects. CD projects. CD. CD. Let's create it. ng serve. Sorry. ng new shop. I'm creating one thing called shop dash dash standalone equals to false. Sudhir Kumar will try it the same feature. CSS, no static site rendering. Simple. Someone is asking why no. In case of yes, what will problem will come? Nothing problem will come. In case of yes, you will get two more files called server.ts, server.d.ts. What is that means? See, guys, I think now you are capable to understand this. Everyone learn this basics. If some people who are into web development, they will know this every time. Listen, there is something called client, something called server. I think most people know this. What is client? Anyone tell me? Browser. Client is the user or browser. Wherever you are typing google.com, the end user is the client. End user is the client. For example, I am opening your website. I am client and even my browser is also client only because my browser only will bring me to me now. You don't know me. Ultimately, my browser is the client. Client will request the server. Client will go to somewhere server, your website somewhere hosted in AWS, somewhere hosted in something kind of one. Now, if you go here, server will go to some kind of AWS or something. Client will request the server. Client will go to AWS and will request something like, please give me this website www.google.com. Then server will respond the code. What the server will give? Boys, focus here. Server will give HTML code, server will give CSS code, server will give JavaScript code. Server will give different parts. Server will never respond directly. Server will give response in HTML separately, CSS separately, JavaScript separately. Client means your browser will combine HTML, browser will combine CSS, browser will combine JavaScript and show the output. Do you all understand this, ma? This is called client-side rendering. What is it called? Client-side rendering. What is it called? Client-side rendering means client only, browser only rendering. Rendering bolito this adding and loading into HTML. That client only doing it. But there is one new trend in online. Recently, last 1 year, web development, 1-2 years, last 1-2 years, web development, there is one trend called server-side rendering. What is this server-side rendering? Is server only will, instead of giving HTML, CSS, JavaScript, server only will add HTML, server only will add CSS, server only will add JavaScript, and they will give you direct code, direct whole website it will render. Then browsers will load that website very fasterly because browser no need to add them, right? Browsers will load very fast, but server load will be more. This is called server-side rendering. What is it called? That's why if you see that, do you want to allow server-side rendering, Angular gives that option. If you do that, your website will load somewhat faster. That's it. Except that nothing will happen. Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Yeah. Okay. Now, one more time. Till now, what you did, sir, I did not do anything. I just started the app. If anyone don't know still how to start the app, please learn it by using the demo classes. Now go here, go to projects, go to projects. Inside the projects, shop is there. Inside the shop, app HTML is there. App component HTML. Now I want to create it some components, sir. Everyone, see this. I wanted to create components. See how I'm creating. How to create a component, ma? First, I will go inside this CD shop. Then ng generate component name. So I'm creating one component header. I created one component called footer. I create one component called product. What is the component name? Barabar. ng serve dash o. Now guys, don't do it with me, Ray. It will take a time for you to do it. Don't try to do it with me. Just see it. If you want to do it, just let me know. I will tell you. Till now, whatever I have done online, is there anyone doing it with me? If anyone stuck it anywhere, tell me. If anyone stuck anywhere, tell me. I just created an application. After creating application, I did 3 components. One is header, one is footer, one is product. Clear? Online also, instead of doing, just focus on the code, see it how I'm doing it. Why? Because when you are doing it, when you are typing something, I will do another thing and you will miss it. Okay. Now we are writing notes. That was nice. Now that would be better. I created here 3 things. Then I will go to the main code. In this code, what you are writing itself, app dash header. Then what will happen? Header will come now. App dash footer. Footer will come now. Right or not? App dash product. So what will come? कोई doubt है, sir? One by one I will add it. Anyone who done till now or anyone who done the previous projects will understand this code very easily. App dash header is nothing but header component. I did not write it in anything. Normally by default header works, product works, footer works will be there. This is the answer. Okay. Second, any project you do, always import a Tailwind CSS. One more time, to the people who are wondering, why don't you use Bootstrap? Bootstrap is like the kind of, a 10th grade. Okay. It is important, but it's not like highly effective. Tailwind is like some kind of, BTech level, which is very easy to pass, easy to get it. But when you are going to the depth, you will really love it. Okay. I'm going with the Tailwind one, and how to install the Tailwind. I gave clear instructions. I gave clear instructions in the extra libraries.txt. Now, to the people who ever wondering it, first read it. Tell me here, first one. For Tailwind, please install. I'm installing now. What I'm installing, npm install Tailwind CSS at the Tailwind CSS / post CSS space post CSS. Online also, most people tried it. They got it also. Nice. Control C. Installed. See, it is installed. हो गया. What is the second step? Create dot post cssrc dot json inside the root. Inside the root. Root बोले तो outside src, not inside. Second one ma, if you don't want to do this Tailwind, do it your own CSS. Nothing will happen. I just wanna increase one level of you. See, our course will take it like another 15 to 20 days. Okay, we are in the starting stage only. Imagine every day you are using the Tailwind. In this 15-20 days, you will become something really skillful in the Tailwind. If you do normal CSS only for your comfort, it would be difficult for you to learn something not comfortable. Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Online, till now, anyone have any questions online? I don't think so. I think so. Okay, good here. Go to projects, go to shop, create one file, post src.json. In this file, just write it here, something like plugins, good, simple. Last one, import this Tailwind CSS into src main. Go here, styles, main. Okay, ho gaya. Tailwind also over. Tailwind also over. Using Tailwind, how to change background color. CSS I know, but Tailwind, how to change background color. BG color karo re, change hota. Every day we are doing it na. I will do it, don't worry. Dekho. See here. Good. Now, I have three things. First, what is the advantage of Angular or what is the advantage of React? Angular and React uses components. What they use, ma? Sir, only header I want. I can use only header code, na? Separately header is there. Now only footer I want. Footer code is separately, na? Or any other thing. You can put it anything, you can use it. Now go here, header. Only header. Header. Every component will have 4 files. How many files, ma? 4 files. In that 4 files, two are very important. One is HTML, also called as template, also called as. Another one is TypeScript, also called as component. Very good. I wanted HTML direct header HTML. I opened in this header HTML, sir. Let's write a header. Let's put here some kind of img for shop, and I will write it here some kind of div or now. Now UL LI A asterisk for. I am just writing it something. It's not much useful. Anyway, you can nav means what? Nav means what? Right? Navigation menu. It's a HTML element, sir. Nav. Do you all know nav, ma? In HTML, there is something called nav. Products. See, I am going to use this for so much difference. In future also, I will use this project. That's why I'm writing it like this nicely. Okay. But it's not necessary. This all thing are extra. Whatever I'm writing, HTML, CS only. Extra things. PG. To the people whoever don't know. See, for example, am I getting any suggestions now? No, I'm not getting any tailwind suggestions. Sometimes your extension will work bad. So go to the extension. Sometimes extensions only work bad. Why? Because you will have so many extensions, they will mix up. Go to that, disable the extension, again enable it, it will work. Now it will work. See, now it is working. Now background color. Now you can give it here BG URL also actually. Background, keep background nice light image. You can put it actually. It's like we are using background black, but you can put it anything. Background gray, some kind of thing. If anyone wants it, you can use it here. Something called Tailwind, Tailwind CSS. Go to the website Tailwind CSS. If anyone wants, just type it here. Whatever the properties you want, image, background, it will come. See, you can give it like this. It will automatically come. BG URL. This is how you will give. Okay. You can give anything in the Tailwind. Tailwind, everything is possible. ng server dash o. Now, good. And here, I will take here shop, shop, shop logo. Open it, copy, paste, logo, logo, class, height, something like 40. Display flux, display flux, flux. Originally flux colon, but large devices you will have flux row. Justify space between in large devices space row. Next, padding top and bottom. Padding Y means padding top and bottom. Padding X means padding left and right. Are you getting my point, sir? What I'm doing? Same thing. Inside this CLI also class list none. Then next, inside this display flux, original flux colon, but large devices flux row, flux row. Then gap 5, simple. height 20. Then here, each one needs to be justify center, align center, items center. They will come center, sir, here. Why they are not coming in center? Because here also item should be center, na? Here also item should be center, sir. Home, about. See, home, about, and all needs to be something like whatever colors you want. You can give it here, class. I will give here font size, text 2XL, text black, over, text blue, 500, transition, all, duration, 300. Same thing, Control C. I will give here hover, scale also, hover, underline, text decoration, decoration 1, hover, scale, something like 110, 110. Copy this. See, did I write anything angular here? It is just HTML. Most of the times it's that much easy to make it some nice website. Okay. So all that is why people love to use this Angular and React. Why? Because if tomorrow someone said your header is not looking good, I don't need to go to any kind of CSS. I don't need to go to any kind of big program. Only that header program I will check it. Remaining things I don't need to do. Why scaling is not working? I put scaling also, decoration also. Over. Navbar something right side. It's right side only navbar always. Scaling is not working, Ray. Just check it on why it is. We'll check it later now. Anyway, now next one, sir. Same thing. Go here. Go to footer. Footer. I can create it here. Footer. Class. Text to Excel. Text center. Justify. Just text center. Text to center. Text white. PG black. Padding top and bottom. 3. Now this site. This site belongs to PRJSAT and copy 2024. Next one, sir, this is what we did last time also. Okay, but this time what I want is I wanted to repeat. Okay, 2025 showed the whatever. Now This one, this time what I will do, I will take one eraser. If I go to one website, I think some people knows this website. To the people who don't know, learn it in future, you will useful. Website, there is an API endpoint called fakestoreapi.com. Does any one of you know Fake Store API earlier? Has anyone heard Fake Store API? Fake Store API is one of the famous free API code. In that, so much data is there. If you don't know, also no worries. Just one array is there. If you go to this link, you will get so much array. See, I will copy paste this array. I will paste this link online. Online, you can paste this link. If you go to this link, you will get eraser. Take that link, go to that link, take that array. So all I will do is Control A, Control C, link offline people also. There are so many websites which will give you this JSON data. Okay. This is API JSON data. If you go to fakestoreapi.com, you will get this one. Fake data. Simple online. If you type it fake JSON data, you will get so much. I will just, because I can't type it now, that's why I'm doing it. If you have time now, you only type it your own data. Shop. I'm going into app. I'm going into app.component.ts. App.component.ts. Inside the app.component.ts, I am adding one array. Array name is products. What is array name? Products equals to one array. Can you see almost 278 lines? I just added this array. This is just an array of objects. Same thing which I did earlier only, but this time someone already gave me this data. Right or not? Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is this clear, ma? Someone is asking in Bootstrap, we have ready-made buttons primary. Tailwind will not have like that. Tailwind, you will not get a single ready-made template also. If you ask it for ready-made components, Tailwind asks you money. You have to create it on your own. Now, good. Let's see. I have one array. Online also can get that link. Now, is it possible to use both at a time? Yes, ma, you can use it. Now, what you will do, sir, I will put here Control X. I will write it here div class products. Inside this, I will write it here one div class product. This product is ng for let p of products. What is the array name, sir? What is the array name? Products. Inside that, I just printed here. Any doubts, ma? Now, anyone tell me, in my array, 20 products are there. In my array, 20 products are there. Can anyone tell me how many times app product I will print? Oh, 27. I don't know. How many times my app will print? That many times it will print na automatically. See how many times? 20 times it's there, 20 times it's printed na? Right or not? But is it printing 20 times correct values? No, because I did not put anything in the product. Now I have to put it. How do you put it, sir? Very simple. Instead of writing multiple times, now I will write it one time only. I will send it here, image link. I will send image link. I will send here title of the product. I will send here image link. I will send it here title. I will send here what I can send price, main importantly, price. So what is the image link name here? Image link name is image. Title name is title. Price name is price. So go here everyone. So p dot You can, sir, can I use it property binding? Absolutely. You can use property binding or string interpolation, kuch bhi. Because it is a string na, doesn't matter. Period image link. Sorry, image. Name is image. The value is image. Next. What is the value here? P dot title. What is the value here? Last one. I can use P dot price. So total how many values I'm using it, ma? Three values. But am I receiving these three values into the into the product? Am I receiving in the product, ma? No. How to receive parent values in child component? How to receive parent values in child component? At the rate input. What you will use at the rate input. Go here. Go to child component product. Go to its TypeScript. इधर लिखो TypeScript पर @input चाहिए. Now input. What you are inputting? Image link. Huh? No. Image link only na. Whatever you are sending it here. Image link you are sending. Price you are sending. And the title you are sending. Three things. Input. Title. Input. Price. I got it. Total three products now. Now someone is saying can't bind it img link since it is not a known property. What does it mean by known property? Here I am sending it now. Just sometimes it will say like that only. Just ng serve karo fir. See, it is working nicely now. Why it is not working now? It is just stopped only. Sir, import you cannot write import. I imported. See, input na. I just imported also. Sir, app.component.html. Price. Oh, price is number is not assignable to string. Okay. Did you understand problem here? Guys, TypeScript ka problem hai. Here price is number na. But here what did you give price? String. Oh, which a problem? Good. Now product is coming nicely. Good. Now go here. Go to product HTML. Product ka HTML. Now product का HTML पर print करना है. Very good. I can print it very nicely. img src is img link. Alt is title. h2 title paragraph strong price dollar p dot price no need p dot directly price. Products are coming bigger. So class height 80. Correct. Go here. Go to HTML. Write it here. Class. Oh, I am writing 2 times class. Sorry. Class grid. Initially grid columns 1, but when you go for medium devices, grid columns 2. Grid calls 2. How to get the rupee symbol? Control Shift dollar. Control Shift dollar. Control Shift dollar. Grid call 3. 3 columns will come. Then after this, all I have to do is gap. I got it. I think gap is already there. MX auto max width. Max width. 7XL. Automatically it will come center. Then top and bottom padding. Something 10. That's it. Now each product cup thing. Each product will have uh, padding 3. Flux. Flux colon. Border 2. Rounded 2XL. Shadow. Shadow light blue. Over. Shadow dark blue. Why it is not coming? Tab 5. The shadow is not coming, Ray. Justify center. Item center. I don't know why shadow did not came, but it should work. Is it like box shadow separate? No. Shadow is the box shadow. See, it's coming, Ray. So I need to give something bigger shadow. Shadow 2XL. Correct. Online, any doubts, ma? Online, any doubts here? Why some are coming in middle, some are not coming in middle, Ray? All are display flux only, na? Oh, because some are getting it filled. Okay. The padding needs to be bigger then. Okay, next one, sir. Sir, here one more thing. Now, till now, what you did, what fake information I used? I used fake information called fake store API. Now, next one, let's put something called, let's put something called ngIf. ngIf. Okay. Now, I will put here something, one button. Mm, I need to send it description also, no? Description, description, p dot description. Then, sir, you are using app child. We can write it directly in app component only. Why this child? Are if you are writing everything in app component only, why we need it Angular? Because see, I am writing it here app child or app product. Sir, you are writing this many products: app header, app child, product, app footer. Why are you writing it? Then why do you need it something called Angular? This is called reusability. This is called reusability. Did I write it 10, 20 times this app product, ma? Believe me, if app product is not there, 20 times you have to write divna. That would be too much difficult, which is not good. Okay. Even if you write it in JavaScript also, it's waste of time. It will take so much time to load. This one is very faster. Online, is it clear, ma? Online, whoever are asking for more reusability. Very good. Good. Description. Description. Good, good. Let me write it here. Button. Show details. Now by default, one thing is there, ng template. What is this ng template? Whatever you write in this ng template will not show in the screen. Understand it. ng template and ng content both are transparent containers. That means they will not come to production. In production, there is no ng content. In production, there is no ng template. ng template is like one div you will put. Whatever that div, only the element will come. For example, here I am writing something. I will trigger this, like if it is true, I wanted to print it. In that case, what will happen? Only this value will come if it is true. This ng template ka tag name will not come. Okay, that is called one dummy transparent container is called the ng template. Similarly, ng content also will be used, people. ng content is like taking the value from the parent, taking the value from the parent. Now here in parent, when parent is calling, and parent is calling this, if parent wants to send some value directly, then if you wanted to print that direct value, you will use ng content here in the child. That is also called content projection. What is it called? Content projection. Now, anyway, what is this one, sir? I will write it inside this paragraph. P dot description, but I will not show. I will write it here. Show equals to false. Show equals to false. I will write it here. ngIf equals to show. Sir, ngIf is equals to show. That means show value will not be there, na? Show value is false, na? So it will not come, that particular one. Okay, I think I got an error. What is p dot description? What is p dot description? Ha ha. Here there is no p dot description. Now dekho, there is one button. A button bootstrap will not give you any button, ma. You have to create it. Padding y 3, padding x 5, y 2, text white, badgy black, rounded to XL. Now everyone see this. If I click this button, I wanted to show that div. Go here. Whenever I click this button, what do you want it to do? Whenever you click this button, I will do it one function. Click. I'm doing one function called fun. Is there any fun? So I need to create it here, fun. Inside this fun, show equals to this dot show equals to initially it's false. Show should become true. Show should become the true. Why it is not coming? This dot show equals to true. I did when show is true, it should show. Right click, inspect, paragraph price. I will go here. See, if you see my code is responsive actually. Okay. Now I'll go here, click on this. Why click is not working? It doesn't necessary. Fun. Mm-hmm. I will put it here one alert. Alert. Hi. If I do this, if I click this, alert is coming. That means show is also becoming true now. If show is true, it should show then. Okay. Original ngIf, keep it in div. That would be perfect then. Then it will work. Like, go here. देखो. नहीं see देखो here problem is original ngIf should be something like div. If you are giving any else case should be something like template. Original ngIf should be like a div. Now see here nicely. I put here, or what if I wanted to show this? Any doubts here? Online कोई doubts है माँ? Now this is the use of ngIf. Very simple. And if you know CSS well, I don't know if you really knows it or not, but if you know it well, you can actually do this logic, which is called uh, top with percentages. You can try. If you know well, try it to me. Some kind of 1 by 4, 1 by 3, and left 1 by 3 kind of pop up. This is called pop up one kind of one. And BG white, BG white, border to rounded to Excel. Now see this. Can you see this? It came here. It came here. So third logic needs to be done with the, which should be some kind of 48 RAM. Oh, not too bad. This is also kind of width. Uh, this is okay. 256. Height 64. Perfect. Not bad. And I will put it here one button, sir. Button X. And if anyone click this button, it will call close method. What this close method will do? Close method will make it this dot show as false. Sir, can I do it in one place only? You can do it, sir. Yesterday I did the same code. Okay. Some people got confused in that logic, so that's why I'm not doing it now. Now you go here and not at all good. CSS ko jao. Padding 5. Now go here. There is no height limit. Only width limit is there. Online any doubts, ma? Online any doubts, ma? Sir, if we click on that product, it should navigate to same products page. That one we will do it. We will do routing. Don't worry. This project I will teach it like tomorrow. Also, we will do this project something called pipes. We will do. We still have to do something called ng style, ng's for sorry, ng style and ng class. We will do pipes. Tomorrow we will do pipes and the remaining directives. Okay. Then we will do services. Then we will do it like more and more slowly routing forms that will make it like more bigger structure. Online any question, ma? Sir, here one problem someone is asking ng template. Ng template is used in the else case because else should be dummy. The main one should be something like div. So that's why I used instead of ng template, I used div. If you put ng template, dot ngIf will not work. Ng template, ngIf will not work. That's it. Remaining things you can try it, ma. Put it a nice animations. Okay. You can put a nice kind of animations. Where is anchor button? Why you need anchor button, right, Sudhir Kumar? Animation ping. Good. That's it for today. Thank you all. Can you see this? And that is happening because I used it here. Okay. Animate, bounce. Any doubts here? No. Use of ngSwitch. I will try to use it tomorrow. Don't worry. Okay. I will put in this all the directives. This one project, I will put all the directives. Sir, NIT conduct screen test, sir, tomorrow 2 p.m. Ah, oh, don't worry, ma. Listen. In that case, if tomorrow test is there, in that case, you guys go and participate the test. All the best. Class will be there. I'm not leaving the class. Okay. Class is there. In class, I will do this project only. I will make it some more beautifications, or I will add this ngIf, I will add ngSwitch. Are you getting my point, ma? In case if you feel it difficulty also, those concept, whatever project I did, that project you can download from my GitHub. Okay. Whatever the new things which I said, ng style, ng class, or pipes, I will tell you day after tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow I will do this revision only. People who have difficulty in the Angular or who have difficulty in CSS, HTML or basic things, come tomorrow. We all will discuss. People who have good knowledge, go. Try it your luck. Try it your knowledge, skill. Okay? Prepare and all the best. That's it for today. Thank you, man.